Hello, this is Cliff with Morgan Leak Detection and Plumbing. Today we're repairing some breaks on sewer lines out in a front yard. We located a break underneath this clean out. It's broke in two different places on the combo, and the pipe is broke loose. We're going to cut that out and put in a set of double clean outs and fix that break. And then out here we also located a break in the middle of the yard. This one is like one of the worst breaks I've ever seen as far as the pipe pulled loose. That thing pulled loose almost 6 inches. I don't think I've ever seen one pull loose that much. But basically you got a 45 that just shattered and ground shifting, I guess, big time. And I just couldn't believe how bad that thing got pulled loose. Got Levi out here today, Bopalop. He's been digging. He's a good digger. Thank you. Have a good day.